Let's fucking go. Opal is chaining her bike to a random fucking fence and the shop.
He's all the way
Wait, yeah?
God, I do. The devastation.
It's easier if you're looking at it.
Yeah,
but to me,
What are you doing? Oh, she's vlogging. Me and Sarah, I guess.
group photo.
Group photo sus.
Oh, the light.
The light. I can't. Fuck, my mouth's dry. The door came back open. That's nice. Hi, vlog!
Want some vodka?
I don't need a shot. I don't need a shot. I can only have 5 drinks because I took 2 Adderalls today. Because I can't tell my limits anymore. There's a baby crying.
I'm ready to snooze.
Me, 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 me.
Oh,
Me,
shoot.
me, me, me. Addicted to your touch. Oh, I feel it. So good, so good.
You gotta be so overjoyed. You're getting.
Ah. Anyways, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting my new weekly vlogs. Today is June 17th and I'm going to the Pirates game with my roommates, which is so exciting and fun. And then I'm going on a date. Let's get ready. Red Sun, who's like one of my favorite artists right now, responded to one of my tweets I tweeted about because they have a song and the lyrics is like, it's hard counting calories after 15 Miller Lights, and I was like, oh my god, giggles, I use my fitness pal, I should make a joke about having 15 Miller Lights on there. So I did, and then they commented on it and they were like, girl, please eat more. And I was like, oh no, don't look at that, don't look at that. I put on so much blush because I touched my face so much, so it's just gonna rub off.
Timer?
No. Lars is going to an event. Networking. We love a networking queen. Here's my lipstick from Temu. Haven't died yet, baby! I ordered makeup from Temu and my lips fell off. Ah. Do I make you shy? Do I make you shy? Oh, here's the plot twist. She went on a date with him.
Hey, like 2
2
years
years
ago?
ago?
A year ago. Oh no, time is weird.
Cute. My little Snoopy baseball
Yeah.
socks.
Bag Temu.
The fits.
Okay, so here are my 1 pair of glasses. I just need my sunglasses, and I also kind of want to know where my other glasses are that I just got, because like I just got these. Oh, they're done doing construction. No, okay. My sunglasses. I got sunglasses, prescription sunglasses, and like I need them. because it's hot out on the cat tree. So, yeah. Okay, and this is the other pair. Oh. Aww. We're doing fit check, but Mars version. The date went good. I told them I was asexual / demi, and they said based. I had to ask Sarah what that meant. It's a good thing, I think.
They go to get fries.
We got the dog, and we got the Simply Lemonade. Renegade. America. Renegade dog, renegade. Do the renegade.
I don't remember the renegade.
Renegade. First bite of the renegade dog. I only got the burger and the pork.
You're not. Gotta pretend to be a fan for a second.
We do. No, we just need us.
Yeah.
And then we'll use
Hi, my name's Mars.
Hi, my name's Sarah, and I'm an alcoholic.
Hi, my name is Jalen, and I realized the word.
Oh wait, we're
What? Mars, this is a perfect pose. Oh, but with the pop socket. I love pop. Have another one.
number 8.
You guys are getting a little too crazy.
Leg back.
So cute. No pickle? Damn.
My feet are
Vlogging. Vlog. Oh?
Oh my god.
It probably has like bed bugs.
fleas, probably.
Yeah.
Rehab.
Yeah.
I really think you're missing out.
Who donated these?
Christmas tree.
Me and Sarah are gonna get this for our room because we share the common room, so Mars can't come in.
And we're gonna put Saul back up. And same on the back.
You guys like the grill in the house? Hi and welcome back. Snacks. So first thing, I got iguana.
Star container thingy. Oh, that's not. How do I open it? Help. Oh. Ta-da!
There's another one in it.
It's like a Russian nesting doll.
Yeah. I wear them with my bathing suit. It's cute. I like the colors.
This dress that probably won't fit me.
I got a pink dress for any exciting balls I go to.
I got this it's like a t-shirt, but it's brown lace. I'm gonna cut the sheer part out of it and make it just like lace.
I have 2 towels because I'm an old lady and I like dish towels. And then to go with the fall theme, we got this little fall cardigan. Wait. Yeah, look at that shit.
Got this tie.
Next you have cheerleader uniform.
This scarf, it's got beads on it. We're gonna wear it like a shirt.
We got a hat.
Whoa. Oh my god, the pin's still there.
Do I look like a douchebag?
Yeah.
It's an Alaska hat.
Skirt.
Pants.
White Claw bandana that was stained pink.
We have this cute little flannel thing that because we ran out of storage, but we're back.
They're just like cards, but they got these little pictures on them.
A black tank top shirt that I will crop, aka Sarah will crop for me. I just like the bow. I just can't cut it in a straight line. This one I'm gonna use as trash can. This one, I don't know, maybe I'll put my apples in it. It has apples on it. Pillow. George had a baby. Showing my sister my.
We're gonna have to back up, go all the way to the grass. Lean a little bit, babe. What are you doing? Oh, that's really cute.
When are you gonna get these developed?
Soon.
Probably on the other side.
Abby, scoot in a little bit this way. Breaks the camera.
Love the backing.
Basic cake and stale beer and sweat.
They say romance.
Writing songs not getting better. It is
Song, another listen, close your eyes. I'm waiting through the world.
Fine.
I love Valerie Ryan.
Listen to TT.
What? I hit on the bar today though. He came back to me a second time.
That kills me.
I never attract men my age. Do I look old? No, I think I look young.
How big is you?
Hell yeah, now we're going.
Here we go.
Who took a bite of the building? Fess up.
Fess up.
Fess up.
God. Stop.
It smells good. It smells like.
Hi vlog. We're singing
P Daddy and the Hyena. And we're also singing Saturdays at Your Place, Raleigh, the band, and Carpool. I'm so excited. I've seen Saturdays at Your Place more than I've seen my grandparents this year. They're just everywhere I am.
$650 burger.
Hey, are we getting like our little pizza? Yes! I'm ready for Mahal's boyfriend to roll up. Hi vlog, we're at Mahal's. Or Mahal's. We just saw Riley. Love the band Riley. Friends. Oh yes, they were really cool. I don't remember any of their names. I have their one Instagram. I have the one Instagram. Seeing equipment for the first time. I'm so excited.
We're Saturdays at your place. Thank you.
My father called me yesterday. He said, I wanna hear what you say. I'm most too confident in you. Treasure the words I choose to say.
You're beautiful, and you're beautiful, you're beautiful, and you're beautiful, and you're beautiful, and you're beautiful, and you're beautiful.
Not bad. You're at 26%. Your charger thing's great. I don't need it anymore, I don't think. Because I have a charger in my car.
You can see where it's gonna bruise. That whole view.
Yeah. Man, that's where all the blood is rising now. Oh, these guys just working.
I lost one of my pins from Toronto though.